Hey you guys, welcome back to Christine's World Spice. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I clean my Galanz microwave, roaster, air fryer, conventional oven combination. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to thumbs it up and don't forget to share this out if you need to. Thanks for watching. My go-to dishwashing liquid is Palmolive because it really gets the grease and everything that I need out of any dishes that I clean, any microwave, oven, whatever I need to clean, it does the job. So I'm going to use a generous amount of Palmolive for our dish water. So I'm going to go ahead and put the air fryer pieces in the water. I should have put the glass piece in there first because that's the one that's mainly the dirtiest. I think this invention is a pretty good invention, but I feel like that they're missing a few components to it to where I don't see how you can keep something like this clean like all the time, because you're going to constantly clean it. It's worse than a microwave. So I'm going to go ahead and take the pieces out of the microwave. You guys see how dirty that is? Look, that's dirty. So we're going to go ahead and get it nice and clean. So this is the easy part. The air fryer part is simple. So of course you want to wash the front and the back just like you wash yourself. And then on top of that you want to wash the air fryer round piece. They're both round, but you want to wash everything that comes with the equipment. Now we're going to go ahead and clean the turntable. And this piece is kind of mostly the dirtiest part because it does accumulate a lot of food on it. But usually if you put it in that water, that soapy water, it'll kind of loosen up and it'll usually just fall off. But I didn't let it soak enough. So if you wanted to, you'll just let your turntable soak for at least about 5 minutes before washing it. And it should just fall off. Okay, so now let's get to the biggest part. We're gonna go ahead and lather our towel with some soap, and we're just gonna scrub as much as we can with the towel. Areas that you cannot get off, we're going to go ahead and get a scrubber and just scrub it off. The scrubber that I have, I got it from Dollar General. There are 2 scrubbers in a pack for 99 cents. So if you're looking for a reliable scrubber that's going to do the job, definitely get these scrubbers at Dollar General. Cleaning off grease off of surfaces actually works a whole lot better if you lather your soap or your scrubber with soap. And that's what I did, and you guys see how quickly it just came off instead of me just trying to scrub it without the soap. So yes, the soap actually works a lot better cleaning that surface off. So we're gonna go ahead and continue cleaning it. When we're done trying to clean it off, what we're gonna do is rinse our towel off with cold water, not warm water. The reason for that is because hot water is going to continue to give you suds, and we don't want that. We want the suds to go away so that way it can continue doing its job. So we're going to go ahead and wash our towel out with cold water. And then the top of the microwave conventional combination, we can go ahead and clean the top of it off. You can put soap on there. You can just use it with cold water. It just depends on how dirty it is on the top. But it's not going to hurt it. You can use soap, but I do not recommend using bleach. If you use bleach, it's going to get rusted and dried out. After a month of me having my combination microwave, my roaster pan actually got rusted. I never put bleach on it. I don't know why it got rusted. I mean, I did what I supposed to did to cleaning it, but it got rusted within a month. and I had to throw it away. It was not something that I can use, especially cooking in. So just be careful with the roaster pan. I don't know what kind of material they're using for that. That part just pretty much disappointed me about the whole unit. But overall, it's a still good experience. I just still like to have my regular air fryer, not a combination one. And also, if you put something in the microwave, you want to make sure that it's not on air fryer. You see what I'm saying? You don't want to put something that is supposed to be in an air fryer, but you put it in a microwave and it has metal in it or something like that. Because of course it's going to start sparkling and you could damage your microwave. So you definitely want to watch which button you push on that unit, because it is meant for a specific, one. So if you want air fryer, make sure you use air fryer. If you use microwave, make sure you use microwave. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informational for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you know when I drop another video. Thanks for watching.